Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we are making Carrot Tadka Raita, a side dish that is one of the healthiest to have along with food. It's a combination of curd, spices, carrots, and tadka. It is both healthy and tasty, and we are sure that once you taste it, you will never forget its flavor and will make it a part of everyday food. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos and also check our channel's playlist for more recipes. Carrot Tadka Raita is highly beneficial for health as it provides a complete balance of nutrients. This combination offers an excellent balance of protein, probiotics, vitamins, and healthy fats in a single bowl. It boosts gut health, improves vision, aids in weight management, and is naturally cooling for the body. Important safety tip: as this raita contains curd, it is highly recommended to have it in the afternoon for lunch. Here's everything we'll need to make this tasty and healthy dish. Make sure you keep the ingredients ready: fresh curd, finely grated carrot, 2 green chilies, jeera, curry leaves, chopped coriander, mustard seeds, hing, salt, sugar, and crushed groundnuts. Let us now see how this healthy carrot tadka raita is made. First, we need to whisk the curd and add a little salt to it. Add a little sugar too, and whisk it so that the salt and sugar dissolve. Now, add crushed groundnuts to the ball of curd and keep whisking the mixture. Add grated carrots to the ball of curd and mix it well. Now, we will prepare the tadka. Switch on the gas stove and add oil to the tadka or tempering pan. Let the oil heat up. Add mustard seeds and jeera to the pan. Add chopped green chilies to the pan. Now, add hing and curry leaves to the pan. Let it heat for a little while. And then switch off the gas. Add the tadka to the curd raita and mix it. Let's add a little coriander for garnish. Our carrot tadka raita is ready to be served. This raita completes our daily salad intake when had with our meals. When you have this raita, the taste of curd mixed with tadka is simply amazing, and you will be tempted to have more of it. Even if this is a small part of our meal, it serves as an essential part when taken daily. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy, and stay blessed.